Okay, so we just answered part A of this question, but now we've gone on to part B, which instead of Pythagoras in 3D is now trigonometry in 3D. So I'm just going to go over the information that we had. So we found this is our AG, which is 911, and then AC, we found that line as well, and this was 8.6023, and this forms a triangle here, and we're asked to find the angle between AG and the plane. So the base here is the plane AB, CD, and then we have the line AG. So we're actually trying to find this angle here, which I'm going to call X. So this means we're going to use cosine rules. So we have a side, an angle, and a side. So when we see side, angle, side, we need to use the cosine rule, or the law of cosine. So I'm going to just redraw this triangle here, so it looks more like a triangle. So we're finding angle X. We know this is 911. We know this is 8.6023. So what do we know? Opposite. So this, we're going to label this A, B, and C. Little a, little b, and little c. So using the cosine, we've tried to find cosine of A. So when we have A here, we're going to be minusing our A. So it's going to be B squared plus C squared minus A squared. And then divided by 2BC. So just to recap, if you're finding cosine of A, it will be B and C, so the other sides, minus whatever is opposite what you're finding. So this is what we're going to use. So the cosine of A, B is going to be 8.6023 squared. C is 911 squared, and A is 3. So we know that from the other diagram. So this is going to be minus 3 squared. And this is all divided by 2 times B, which is 8.6023. And this is multiplied by C, which is 9.11. And if we put this in the calculator, so I'm going to do this as a fraction first. 8.6023 squared plus 9.11 squared minus 3 squared divided by 2 multiplied by 8.6023 in brackets multiplied by 9.11. And this is going to be 0.944. Now I'm going to keep this in my calculator, but I'll write it down here. So we're going to have A is cosine to the minus 1, so it's the inverse, and it's going to be of what we just found. Okay, so I'm going to do shift and cosine. And my answer is what I had, or I could put in 0.9442. And I should have 19.226. We asked for 1 decimal place, so my angle A is going to be 19.2.